go. Bye, cockatoo. Gay, let us to cockatoo. Welcome ye, who's John cockatoo? Blossom on cockatoo, mama.
Good siya, ani na chuge Isaac Lopez, cultural coordinator from the Youth Service Department. Today we're going to show you how to make chuchamat. And so sit back and enjoy it, and let's get started. What's good siya, Doris?
Good siya, Isaac.
Sapo, up here.
Sapo.
Okay, this is Mrs. Doris. She's going to be showing us how to make chuchamat. She's been working for the Youth Service for 18 years. So let's get started.
The two is put group and then some on. I njukat Crisco. Da muszę jukać, żeby się mandzić.
I hope you enjoyed the video. I bet your mouth is drooling by now. And thank you, Ms. Doris, for the chuchamat making.
Sapo.
Oh, and again, hope you enjoy watching. And remember, wakwan kunono, wash your hands. Damnye.
Red, svug, svug,
Chwetum, chwetum,
pink, svugja, svugja,
bil chwetum, bil chwetum,
brown, orange, yellow, swam, swam,
kwesum, kwesum,
green, blue, studa, studa,
chavshug, chavshug,
purple, sipaima, sipaima,
kalyabk, kalyabk,
black, stut, stut,
nilk, nilk,
white, storm, storm,
chmalim, chmalim,
gray, scumma, scumma,
kweshum, kweshum,